From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Top Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide.
Andrew? Is that Holness? Bro God? You this for real? In the flesh? What going, bro God? This is Top Black from Top Black TV. Yes. Where say you see one of my episodes already? Yeah? Which one? You want me this year? Or me this year? Your name for change from the Honorable Andrew Holness to the Dishonorable Andrew Holness. You know what joke me that make? Who I call for? No, but I just have a few questions for ask you still because Jamaica run mucky. And are you in control? And me don't know. Me just want to know if you don't feel no kind of shame. What mean shame for what? Bro God, you know see all the country around. Bro God, it don't look good. It don't look good. Remember you know? You win by a landslide, which is questionable. Landslide, what that mean? That means that everybody vote for your party. Or none of them never vote for them party. Or you get landslide. So you go? Alright. You see a picture with Bill Gates. Yeah. Bill Gates. Where do the brother there?
We'll have a lot of unusual measures until we get the world vaccinated. You know, 7 billion people, 7 billion people, 7 billion people, that's a tall order. But it is where we need to get to. It is where we need to get to, despite a lot of things in between now and then to minimize the damage,
I know you look like you want to push the vaccines upon people. As you win so, you say, free vaccines for every nizzle. Then you try to put little weed on it. And when you finally say, and everybody smoke weed, you offer money. So what next? You gotta force it on the people them. Can you come like you're hell bent, no pun intended, and seeing the people them take the vaccines. And at that, kill Gates. And that him want to do with film philanthropy. Alright, wait a second. Next subject, that one that too touchy. Alright. That one that kind of sticky, right? Alright. You tell the people them say, when you win the election, you have the solution for crime. To the point where them can't sleep with them door open. Bro God. People are sleep with them 2 eye open now. Both door open. Not even 1 eye open up. Them 2 eye open when them asleep. You know, live up to your promises, bro God. No, sir. Now, the other day when the lockdown started, a little man come out and say, if you go, man a big man, I can't come tell big one if you do.
And we'll pick the water. Big deal up, so Andrew's gonna say, but us can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there. Life me I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew wanna just ask us. You can't have a control again, you want to control man. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew them, since bad man friends to there. We not going up, don't tonight.
5 minutes later.
No, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can't stand down on the record. He was on our bed hiding, but we found it.
A few moments later.
My behavior was outright and disrespectful.
That's disgraceful, man.
The things I said is not worthy to repeat. But I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things.
I don't know where to do him. But we don't see him again. We see him one time after that. I look at him turn Christian overnight. We don't see him after that. Right? But yet still, you still have people who go around your lockdown. And the other day, a little man from the garrison say, oh, after such time, you know what I say, nobody on the road. And the street quiet, not even dog out the road. cat, puss, rat, everything come off. How you come off of the road? Someone who really run the country. You are the bad man them. You are the drugs man them. Speaking of drugs man, one plane crash or land, I call it crash landing, because no part of the plane no mash up. I just then neatly on the shore, the man just walk off.
The plane land, it's the plane land. 100 pound of cali weed, where they get it from.
Eh? And you couldn't find them? You find the brother who diss you.
We have found the man that we're looking for.
But you couldn't find two Mexicans? I want to know them identity. Eh? How them get where? It's an island in the pan, you know. Them still stranded like Gilligan. How them get out? Book a flight? Rent a boat? Swim? You know they never drive. Half of the island. But them gone. You know, send for them. To get extradited. He just low it, so. I think I Uno bring in the plane there, man. Yeah, man, it don't look good. It don't look good. It's back. Where you want to give it to people, then? When you say lick down some soldier.
I just say, you one little thing where I go on up a camp, they say, half of the soldier them will take the back, lie down flat and ground up there in a pure pain. Can't move, can't walk, can't move, a pure pain there, you know. And me say the commander up there tell them say they not to take no picture and send out to no family member or nothing. Because a side effect it have and it all last for 3 days. So me don't know what go on in Jamaica, you know, brother. But it can be soldier fit somebody and them take it and it a bend them up so in a pain and things. So what it go do with the regular man?
Especially little old man, little old woman, like a picnic. If a soldier them can't manage it. That means you don't take one yet, you know. You don't take one yet. Come on, see you mash up. A pear teeth, you a beer laugh, you a laugh.
I have a basket here, you see. The food in it don't even top the basket. It was purchased from, I think it's the same grocery you bought your basket from the last time. But it don't have no fish back in there. No fish back in there. Let me tell you what this comes to. $10,018.66. This is what it can buy. One loaf of bread. Six Pampers. 1 roll of toilet paper. 2 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of sugar, and 2 pounds of corn. 1 tin of Slim baby powder, 2 tin of mackerel, and 1 tin of sardine. 1 little bottle of cooking oil. Hand sanitizer. 1 tin of corned beef.
It don't look like you go through no blur, not. Sorry. Pandemic, you know. No, you look like you're nice. Get to the point. Let me get to the point. Me I try to tell you say you know I run the country good. You know, say Jamaica is on the top of the list in a corruption, top of the list in a violence, in a death by murder. If you a little island like that, And every time I see you, I smile. Do you see anything for smile about? Huh? It's a Holness. We are do a China. What are you doing there? You have a China girl there? We go visit? You have China family? I must the government to go see. For what? Mind bro God, you move some kind of way, you know. You move like you want to sell out the Jamaican people, you know. I mean, don't speak like that. I tell the truth. We say, you have things to go do. You have a country to run. The country want to run you. We say, anyways. We say, alright. Alright, sir. You know what, Mr. Andrew? Thank you for taking the time to talk to me. I'm going to hear this, right? You're good with that, right? Yeah. What you say? Take down the episode where I have, what I call you, Dishonorable Andrew Holness. You know what joke me that make? Me take it down when you take the vaccine. Alright? Me talk to you.